Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves creating three-dimensional objects by adding layers of material on top of each other. This process allows for the creation of complex shapes and designs that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. Additive manufacturing can be used to create prototypes, tooling, and end-use parts for a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and consumer goods. One of the key benefits of additive manufacturing is its ability to reduce lead times and costs associated with traditional manufacturing methods. With additive manufacturing, parts can be produced quickly and with minimal waste, as only the necessary amount of material is used. This can result in significant cost savings for manufacturers, as well as faster turnaround times for customers. Another advantage of additive manufacturing is its ability to create highly customized parts. With traditional manufacturing methods, customization can be expensive and time-consuming. However, with additive manufacturing, parts can be easily modified and customized to meet specific customer needs. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company based in Minnesota, offers a range of services to customers in the aerospace, defense, medical, and industrial markets. The company specializes in precision machining, fabrication, and assembly, and has a team of experienced engineers and technicians dedicated to delivering high-quality products and services. Additive manufacturing is a key service offered by Berkness Company, and the company has invested in state-of-the-art 3D printing technology to meet the needs of its customers. With its expertise in precision machining and fabrication, Berkness Company is able to provide customers with end-to-end solutions that incorporate additive manufacturing into the manufacturing process. If you are interested in learning more about additive manufacturing and how it can benefit your business, Berkness Company is a great resource. The company's website features a Contact Us page where you can reach out to the team and learn more about their services. Whether you are looking to create prototypes, tooling, or end-use parts, Berkness Company has the expertise and technology to help you achieve your goals. FAQs. 1. What is additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, creates three-dimensional objects by adding layers of material on top of each other. This process is different from traditional manufacturing methods, which involve subtracting material from a larger block or casting material into a mold. 2. What are the benefits of additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing offers several benefits over traditional manufacturing methods. It allows for greater design flexibility, faster prototyping, and the ability to create complex geometries that would be difficult or impossible to produce with traditional methods. It also reduces waste and can be more cost-effective for small production runs. 3. What industries use additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing is used in a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, healthcare, and consumer products. It is particularly useful for creating prototypes and small production runs, as well as for creating customized or one-of-a-kind products. As technology continues to advance, it is likely that additive manufacturing will become more widely used in manufacturing and production.